Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start to earn a passive income through affiliate marketing. So stick around. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about earning a passive income through affiliate marketing. But before I get into that, I just want to take the time to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods on how to make money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So with that out of the way, let me just dive right into this video because I have a lot to talk about. So when it comes to creating a passive income, you need to be creating content on a consistent basis. But before I get ahead of myself, let me talk about what you need in order to get started. So the first thing that you're going to need is you need to first pick a niche. So a niche is going to be a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. So when picking a niche, I recommend going with something that you're really passionate about. Because there's going to be times where you're going to feel like you're going to want to quit. And you know what? That's okay. Because when you pick something that you're passionate about, you're going to find a way to push through those barriers and keep on going. So the second thing when getting started with affiliate marketing is pick a product. So when picking a product, it has to be something that's related to your niche. So let's say, for example, if you're in the health and beauty niche, you're focusing on beauty. A product that you can promote is hair products, nail polish, curling irons, makeup, whatever the case may be. Anything that's related to the beauty niche. So once you have your niche picked out and you already picked out a product that you want to promote, the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pick a lead magnet. And this is also referred to as a free offer. So what's something that you can promote as a free offer? Well, since I'm talking about the beauty niche, it can be something, for example, an ebook. It can be a free video that people are going to be redirected to when they opt into your landing page. It can be a free survey that people are going to take. Or it can even be a free trial to an online course if you're promoting an online course. So let's say, for example, since we're talking about the beauty niche, your free offer is going to be an ebook talking about 10 makeup secrets that most women don't know about. So you're going to be giving this away for free. Now the reason for doing this is so people can be put onto your email list. So that's another thing that you're going to need when getting started with affiliate marketing. So let me talk a little bit about an email list. So this is where you're going to have to invest some money if you're looking to have a business that's going to build up a passive income. I know some people aren't willing to spend any money, but with any business, it takes money to make money. So if you're willing to invest into an email software service, you can potentially grow your business into a six-figure business. So a few email software services are going to be websites like GetResponse, SendLane, MailChimp, and also ClickFunnels. These are all software services that provide the tools that you're going to need in order to build your sales funnel. And you can go check out these websites after you're done watching this video to see which one would work better for you. So after you pick what email software service you're going to go with, the next thing you're going to need to do is create an email list. So this is where people are going to be put onto when they opt in into your landing page in order to receive your free offer. So after you create your email list, you're going to create your landing page. So this is going to be the first thing that people are going to see in order to opt in to receive your free offer. And if you guys are interested, I created a video on how to build a successful landing page where you can generate more leads. You guys can go check that out. Okay, so when building your landing page is going to look something like this. You're going to want to create a title that's going to capture your target audience's attention. So since we're talking about the beauty niche, a title that's going to capture their attention is Learn 10 Secrets most women don't know about makeup. And women who are looking to learn more beauty secrets or tips or tricks or whatever you want to call it, they're going to be drawn in by this title right here. And on your landing page, there's going to be an area where people are going to fill out their name and their email. And you're going to also have maybe a graphic of your ebook. And then on the bottom right here is going to be a button for them to click on. And when they submit their email and click on that button, they're going to be redirected to another page where they're going to receive your free offer. But not only that, they're also going to be added onto your email list, where you're going to be sending them autoresponder emails. So what autoresponder emails are a series of emails that you write out beforehand. So whenever somebody opts into your email list or gets added onto your email list, they're going to automatically receive your emails. So let me talk about why somebody would sign up in order to receive your free ebook. If your free offer is related to the niche that you're in and it's addressing a problem that people are having in your niche, and you're also providing a solution, people are going to be tempted to check it out. They don't mind submitting their email in exchange for a solution to a problem that they're having. So for this example, since we're talking about the beauty niche, our free offer is 10 makeup secrets that most women don't know about. And the thing is, there's some women out there who don't know how to do their own makeup. So if you're delivering value and offering them tips that can help improve their makeup skills, they wouldn't mind submitting their email in order to get some free tips or tricks on how to do makeup. So jumping back into our autoresponder emails. So now that you have people signed up to your email list, they're going to receive your emails. So what do you talk about in your autoresponder emails? The same concept applies. You're going to want to deliver value in each one of your emails. So for example, in this video, we're talking about the beauty niche. So your emails have to be related to beauty. You can be talking about makeup, secrets, eyebrow, trends, anything that's related to beauty that's going to deliver value. So since people opted into your email list, they're going to be receiving these emails. And in each one of these emails, you're going to want to promote a product that you picked out related to the beauty niche. So let's say, for example, the product that you're promoting is a makeup product. I'm going to give you guys a quick visual on how it would look. So somebody opts into your email list, they receive your free offer, they read it, they got some value out of it. Now they're going to be receiving your autoresponder emails. This is supposed to be an email. So day 1, day 2. So the first email that you're going to send them, it can be something as simple as like, thank you for signing up. I promise in these next series of emails, I'm going to be delivering value, giving you other beauty tips, hairstyles, the newest trends that are happening right now. That case, something like that. And at the end of your email, you can also promote your offer. It can be something, since we're talking about makeup as the product that you're promoting, you can just simply say, if you're looking to learn how to make your cheekbones stand out or make your eyes stand out more, try this makeup. Something as simple as that. And if the person clicks on that link and they buy that product, you just made a commission. If they don't, that's okay, because they're still going to be receiving your emails. So the second one can be talking about this new hairstyle that's trending right now, or whatever you decide to go with. Since you're talking about beauty, you're going to talk about this new hairstyle and how they can do their hair in a certain way to get all the other girls jealous. But you're also going to still promote your affiliate link at the bottom of the email. You could just simply say, hey, this makeup right here will make your hair stand out 10 times as much. And if they buy that product, if they click the link and they buy that product, then cool. If not, they're still going to be receiving your autoresponder emails. So you're going to keep on doing this over and over and over again. The reason why is because most people don't buy something the first time that they're exposed to it. This is what's called conditioning. People are getting conditioned by being exposed to a product over and over and over again. And after a while, when you're delivering value on a consistent basis in all of your emails, eventually you're gonna start to build trust among your target audience. They're gonna say, hey, you know what, this person is delivering value. I feel like I can trust them. They seem to know what they're talking about. I'm gonna give this product a try. You know, hopefully it doesn't give me eczema or something. No, I'm just kidding. So when you have all of this put together, this is what's called a sales funnel. So once you have your sales funnel all lined up, the next thing you need to do is just focus on getting traffic to your landing page and through your sales funnel. So how do you keep on getting people to your sales funnel? The way you do this is by creating content on a consistent basis. And there's a number of ways that you can create content. You can do it through social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can be writing blog articles about the beauty niche, or you can create YouTube videos where you're talking about beauty and doing makeup tutorials. All of these options work. And once you start to build up a large following, you can start earning a passive income. And this is just one example. I just talked about the beauty niche, but you can apply this formula with any niche that you choose and you're gonna get some amazing results. So let me just recap what I just talked about when getting started with affiliate marketing. The first thing that you need to get started is you need to pick a niche, you need to pick a product, you need a free offer or a lead magnet as it's called. You need to pick an email software service to go with, and once you do that, you need to create an email list, you need to build your landing page, and you need to have your autoresponder email set up. And always remember, in all of your emails, you need to always deliver value. So one way to deliver value is by addressing a problem that the people in your niche are having and providing a solution to it. And finally, you need to keep focusing on getting traffic to your sales funnel. So this method is not for people who are just looking to get rich quick overnight. This is for people who are looking towards the long-term goal and people that are willing to change their life by starting a business that's going to generate a passive income online. So if you're looking to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link in the description for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. So what this book does is it helps you decide what niche to promote, and also talks about the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers on. And if you want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to affiliate marketing, where you'll have access to professional training, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or at least got some kind of value out of it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.